What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Before I get into it, I just want to say I know I've been gone. I've been doing daily uploads, but I've been gone for about a week now, so pretty much I just been dealing with some personal things, boring things that I don't feel like explaining, and y'all wouldn't want to hear in any of my videos anyway. So I've been busy, had a lot going on, but no excuses. We're gonna get right back to it. Okay, so here's what's going on with the motor. So as you can see right here, my timing plate cover is cracked, or timing cover, whatever this is. I forgot, I can't think of it right now. I believe it's a timing cover though. It's cracked, it's aluminum, and pretty much when we're getting this bolt out, put a lot of force on that to get it off and cracked it. We're also trying to get this harmonic balancer off, which didn't have any luck, and that also unfortunately did not come off. So I was working a little bit on it off camera. I didn't record. I had one of my friends helping me, so appreciate you, Tyrus, for coming to help. But that's pretty much where I'm at. That's what's really been holding this up. I've been trying to get this harmonic balancer off, and it's been giving me hell. And with my projects, it's never the major things, it's always the small things that end up taking time. So it just is what it is. I bought a little kit today, but honestly I haven't been here in a few days, so I couldn't remember if it was a bolt attachment or not to pull the harmonic balancer off. After looking at it, there's nowhere where I could see that I can pull this off. Not a single place, so I wasted my money on that. I could just take it back and get a refund, which is probably what I'll do. But again, it's just unfortunate. So before I even open it, I'm not gonna open it. And on top of that, all the parts stores are closed tonight. Everything is closed, so yeah, it's just been one of those weeks. We're gonna jump into whatever I have right here, so I'll throw in a random video of whatever I worked on, and I'll see y'all after that. All right, people, we're back finally, and I got my drill. So let's go ahead and get these trays out, because I want to see how everything looks. I don't think the batteries are charged on either of my lights, so hope y'all can see. As you can see, this bolt has a little ridge. I don't think that'll be easy to find, so I'm going to put that in my special box of bolts right here, which I have a few of those. So this should now just pop right out. You see this tray, and boom, none of my lifters stayed. So let me grab, I gotta see if one of my lights works, man. I can't do y'all like this. Y'all can see a little bit now, so I'm just gonna grab these lifters. And here's the first one. See, I can grab all of these by hand. Better focus, let me see, hold on. There we go, so here's the first lifter. And this actually looks good. There's a little bit of wear. Excuse that airplane in the background. But this looks pretty good. That is a great sign, okay? That is a great sign. All right, so I got the fan blowing over here. I hope the wind noise isn't bad, but here are my lifters. And as you can see, they all look decent. I'm not about to pick them up, but I didn't see anything on any of these that was bad. So they all look like they were decent, minor amounts of wear. So that's a good sign. And we can see off in here on our cam, which we can see again amount of wear on there. but not terrible. I won't really know until I pull the cam out, so hopefully we can get that off today, but I don't know if I will be able to. We're gonna have to figure something out with that. So I'm gonna figure that out whenever. So let's go ahead and get this other side off now. So we're gonna take all of those out and then I'll jump to that. Alright, so we got these lifters off now and they look pretty decent too. Just normal wear again. Everything seems to be fine on this motor. The cylinders. Now that I've moved it, we can see off in these cylinders. They don't really look bad. You can still see the cross hatching in this one, which I was worried about. I don't see anything that alarms me. They all look good, even over here. Still cross hatching. That looks good. So that's gonna conclude the breakdown for the day. I don't have anything to break this bolt. I tried again, but I will have backup tomorrow. So what we're gonna do is work on cleaning these heads. Let me turn this off. So I'm gonna clean. You can see this one is already clean because I cleaned it. So now we gotta do this one, and then we're gonna really get around all off in here. So I'm gonna try to put them over here somewhere, but I gotta clear some space, so I'm not gonna show me doing that. Alright, so you can see I got these pretty clean, even though I got some more work to do. And then back here I've done a little bit, but it's already starting to come together. I'm gonna have to really get something to get this gasket stuff off, the rest of this gasket off, and then other sides I haven't touched any of this yet, which I will once I get the valve springs out. But I mean, that looks a lot cleaner than it did. So here's how it looked before, and yeah, you can clearly see that I've gotten it a lot cleaner. I still don't have a brush for the runners yet. I need to clean the runners real good, but we'll get to that. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this video. Again, I know it's all over the place and I know everything is everywhere, but before I end the video, I want to talk about a few things with this car, or with this build that I'm doing. Number one, wheels are gone, as I mentioned earlier, if I did mention it. I sold those. And number two, I'm kind of confused on the wiring situation. I know that's far down the road, but I just learned that for this ECU that's way down there, I have one of the ECUs, but I can buy ECU out of a 04 plus, I think it's 04, 05, Silverado, Tahoe, Yukon, whatever had a 5.3 in it, or 6.0. And those can be tuned to run pretty much anything. You know, they can be completely unlocked. So what I'm thinking is, I take this wiring harness that I got with the motor, take the wiring harness from the Infinity, and I merge those and use this ECU so that everything functions with the car as it would normally without this motor, or with the factory motor. So that's what I want to do, but I got to do a lot more research. This, nothing I'm saying is final, so take it with a grain of salt, but that's what I'm thinking. Also, last thing, if you made it this far, I ordered a cam kit. So I got a sloppy stage 3 cam, 585 lift and exhaust, some pack 1219 springs, so those can hold up to 650 lift. And came with the valve springs, retainer. Well, of course it came with valve springs. It came with retainers and all the seals, and then the gasket for the timing cover, which I have to replace. So that's that. So if you enjoyed the video, which it's not a very enjoyable video honestly, but go ahead and drop a like. It's always gonna be a video like this here and there, you know. Things aren't gonna go your way some days. It's just part of life. But y'all turn those post notifications on for tomorrow's video, and like, subscribe, comment, and as always, y'all take it easy, and I'll catch you all in the next video.